respected chief guest, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Today is not just a date on the calendar. Today is the day India chose dignity over domination, law over fear, and unity over division. On the 26th of January, our constitution came into force, turning a newly independent nation into the world's largest democracy. A freedom won by sacrifice was protected by the constitution. A nation is not built by borders alone, but by values written in the hearts of its people. Friends, 15th August gave us freedom, but 26th January gave us direction. It gave equal rights to the weak and the powerful, a voice to the unheard, and hope to the future. We are the children of a land where Bhagat Singh smiled at death, where Subhash Chandra Bose challenged an empire, and where Mahatma Gandhi proved that truth is stronger than violence. They did not fight for comfort, they fought for character. They did not dream of success, they dreamed of a strong nation. Today, India is no longer a nation that only remembers history. India is a nation that creates the future. From space missions to digital revolutions, from villages to global platforms, India is rising with confidence and courage. But friends, a nation is not built by the government alone. A nation is built by the responsible citizens. When duty becomes our habit, progress becomes our destiny. Let us promise today to respect our constitution, to protect our unity, and to put the nation before personal interest. Because this country was not given to us easily. It was earned with blood, courage, and sacrifice. The tricolor does not fly because of the wind. It flies because of the last breath of our heroes. With this pride in our hearts and responsibility on our shoulders, I conclude my words by saying, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Happy Republic to you all.